Hey YouTube, welcome to the channel. I'm Nick with Superstore.com, back with part 2 of how to set up files for printing white ink. This process can be accomplished in both Photoshop and Illustrator, though I do recommend using Illustrator whenever possible, as this seems to be the most efficient workflow and communicates effectively with Rasterlink. In order for your printer to recognize and process white as a color, we need to add some color data, which we will then convert in Rasterlink. Open your project file and create a new layer above your artwork. Select all shapes you wish to print, hit Command-C to copy. Select the new layer and hit Command-V to paste. Next, open the Colors panel. Click the hamburger menu and select Create New Swatch. This is how we are going to add our color data. Name the swatch capital W, lowercase HITE, underscore, capital I, lowercase NK. Change the color type to spot color and color mode to CMYK. You can choose any color you want here. I'm just going to go with straight magenta. Hit OK. You can save this setting by going to your swatches panel, select your new swatch, go to the libraries menu, and save swatches. Select all the shapes in layer 2 and change the fill to the spot color just created. Go to View and check Over Print Preview. Go back to Window, select Attributes. When this window opens, check Overprint Fill. Save your file and we're ready to go in Rasterlink. Load your image and size to print area, then head down to Color Replacement. In this panel, you'll see that Rasterlink recognizes our spot color. This means we set up our file correctly and we can now tell our printer where to put the white ink. Under Spot Color, select the white ink input. Click and check Replace, and we're going to change the white values to 100% and click Apply. That's it. Now you can head over to the execution panel, hit start, and moments later you'll have that product in hand, colors popping as they should. Once again, I'm Nick. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Grow your business with volume discount pricing and shop DTFSuperstore.com.